Welcome back friends. I just introduced you to the CodeIgniter and now we are going to download it. So just go to their website on Google, just type CodeIgniter and go to their official website. There you can see the direct download button. Click on the download and it's just a 2 MB file. So click on it, download it, and then I've downloaded it on my desktop. So it's a zip file, and once you download, just extract it. Okay, now I downloaded the file and now I just extract it on the desktop. Okay, here's the folder, CodeIgniter 3. Okay, I just copy this folder and now paste this folder into your localhost WAMP in www and paste it here. Now I just rename this folder with CI so that I can easily access through my browser. Okay, now run the WAMP and access this folder through your web browser. Okay. Now let's wait a few seconds just so that the WAMP server comes online. Okay, now the server is now online, so just go to your web browser and you can write localhost and then CI. Okay, you can see the page, welcome to CodeIgniter, which means CodeIgniter is installed on your machine. As you see, installation is not a big issue here, so we just downloaded, extracted and pasted in our localhost directory. So that's all for the installation. From our next lecture we will come to know about its directory structure. We will see how MVC works, and if you have any query related to this video or the previous one video, please write on discussion area. I will help you. Thank you.